Hi guys, welcome back, Alien Goddess. So, oh my goodness, I'm gonna just share my experiences, share what I've been seeing on my journeys with the gateway process. Also, I want to clarify that a lot of all my ET contact experiences, that has been like in the past, that all happened without the gateway process. So now I'm having new experiences happening with the gateway process, and that's just basically because I received with this floating question mark that's just been looming energetically, that now is the best time to, has something to do with DNA coming online, and now is the best time to really get those psychic muscles working, and they're going to be more prevalent, more realistic, more available, bioavailable with the fact of this time space we're in and everything's going on energetically. So first thing I want to get out the gate is something that has always been important to me. I don't know why, on a soul level. It is DNA. Our DNA, bloodlines, our history as a species has always been an interest of mine, a study of mine, and fascinating. Also, a lot of the psychic insights that I've gotten on my whole entire life's journey has to do with this DNA connection, this species connection, this happening that happened that may or may not have been a giant cover-up / lie. And in this inverted reality, wrong is right, right is wrong type thing. Lies are backwards, so what they say isn't the lie is the lie. Type thing. And that's just been prevalent on my entire journey. But I just started taking my supplements. I will say that go-to tea, that tea that I listed in my last video, I had it last night. Not only did I know, like, I asked for like the consciousness benefits of like activating your brain, but there's like beauty benefits to this thing too, that literally helps you like retain your collagen, rebuild your collagen and like elasticity, and like helps you stay young and pretty longer. Like, I didn't even know that. That's just a plus. Okay, so much has come through that I am trying to so because I've always been super psi and open and have had these amazing experiences without any quote unquote like training like I'm doing with the gateway process, I've had these messages, like I've said before in my videos, come through in bits and pieces. Now they're just coming through. I'm like reviewing them, going back. Like, that's the whole reason I wanted to use the gateway process, was to go back into messages that I've received and get more clarity on and more information out of them. But yeah, so DNA is a huge topic right now. It's always been a huge topic for me. It's always been something very prevalent and fascinating and relatable, like on a soul level, and a story, the story of my soul, of my memories and stuff. Always DNA's been like a center focus. So I want to go through and give you, first you can use the gateway process if you want for this. if you don't feel safe doing that because of whatever they're saying about it. Any sort of hemisync. So any sort of hemisync that gets both hemispheres of your brain moving and working in unison. And I'm just gonna basically give you the starter kit, and the reason why I believe this works is every single time, and this, I'm just going to tell you this because this might happen to you. Every single time that I've had focused on DNA or bloodlines, DNA, all of this, us as a species, the truth behind it, I have had visitations, like actual, you will have like actual quote unquote ET contact, and they are very like, somehow this is like on their radar when you start tapping